To optimize FIFA 24 server timeout issues, follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience and reduce interruption. This guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your connection stability. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and at sufficient speed. Use a wired connection if possible, as it generally provides a more reliable signal than Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to confirm your download and upload speeds meet the game's requirements. Step 2. Adjust router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. You can also try changing the DNS settings to faster public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 to improve connection speed and reliability. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume bandwidth or processing power. This includes downloads, streaming services, and other online activities that could interfere with your gaming experience. Step 4. Update game and system. Ensure that both FIFA 24 and your gaming platform PC, console are updated to the latest versions. Developers often release patches and updates that address server issues and improve overall performance, so keeping everything current is essential. Step 5. Contact support. If you continue to experience server timeout issues after trying the above steps, reach out to EA Sports support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help troubleshoot any persistent problems related to server connectivity. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your FIFA 24 experience and minimize server timeout issues. Enjoy your game.